My big vision is to simplify the way that someone experiences the healthcare system on the African continent. My name is Atherton and I run a biotech startup. We are developing a system which allows someone to know if they have a disease like Ebola in 5 minutes. And then we can also predict where the disease will spread. It looks like a pregnancy test. It's been quite an exciting journey. One of the things it means is honoring the memory of my parents, because they were HIV positive at a time when they did not have access to the technology that they needed in terms of diagnostics and treatment. OxLEP has helped me identify the different grants that are available. And we also applied for a grant through OxLEP. We got £11,500 to buy a machine to manufacture the rapid diagnostic test. The other help we're getting is help in terms of sales, marketing, as well as finance strategy. We have an advisor from OxLEP who we meet with to discuss what we want to do as a company. They're amazing. It saves you time, which is the commodity that you don't have. The best thing about being a science entrepreneur is being able to create a company that touches people's lives.